Purify kills odors, bacteria, molds, and fungus. This is an excellent oil for cleaning any portion of your home. This blend can be sprayed onto windowsills and into corners during the winter months to prevent the growth of molds. It is effective when applied to spider bites and insect stings, and can be used for repelling bugs, insects, and mice. Purify purifies the air, neutralizes mildew, removes the smell of cigarette smoke and many other noxious odors when diffused in a room. Purify sometimes brings relief from toothaches and dental abscesses. At the very least, it may relieve the problem somewhat until a dentist can be reached. Some citrus oils and lavender, all of which are in this essential oil blend, are useful for anorexia and eating disorders because they moderate feelings of insecurity, self-doubt, and self-loathing. For this purpose, Purify should be diffused every night and as much as possible during the day. Other essential oils, chosen according to the emotional picture of the person, should be worn as perfume or cologne every day. Click the link below this video to find out more about Purify Essential Oil Blend.